Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now we are going to see Dunzo Data Engineering for Freshers Bangalore all over India. If you have done any certification, it will be helpful for to joining in this Dunzo from Data Engineer. Data Engineer vacancies are very demand all over India. What you will do, integrate and aggregate both data internal and external source, build and scratch real-time working process, and Spark and Google Go platform, and data work process and CID tools you are going to help in optimization, testing tools to provide data quality, collaborating with other engineers, business analytics, stakeholders, sketches, who you are. Consider as a taking as initial build system and live data shoulders, 0 to 1 year of experience in heterogeneous data system, and you must have a data quality agent in automation data platform. Java or Scala or Python, it will be helpful for you. You understand the values of collaboration within terms and relationship and levels of stakeholders and Angular, etc. from cloud services if you are provided, it will be helpful for you. Apply for this name, email, phone number, resume. So just a submit if you don't have any, there's no problem. The CTC will be for Zinzo, it will be 16 LPA. So if you have done any data engineering course or data scientist or data analyst, it will be helpful for to apply in this course. After applying direct interview from me. So if you have any doubt in the application form, comment me in the comment section. Thanks for watching this channel.